Thanks for inviting me for this interview. My name is Elio Salvadori. I'm from Italy, and I'm a senior researcher in a institute called Fondazione Bruno Kessler, which is located in Trento, where actually I'm living. I'm calling from, and yeah, this is I've been actually working for many years in a very specific field, which was computer networking. And then since a few years, I decided to switch to virtual reality, and in particular to the application of virtual reality in healthcare settings. Since we are a research center, we mostly use, in particular in the research group where I'm working, we are really leveraging on virtual reality unique capability to, let me say, work on the cognitive system of people, and thanks to this unique property of virtual reality, what we are currently investigating is how we can use virtual reality as a tool to modify and even improve certain behaviors that can not only, let me say, improve the well-being, but also be, let me say, have an effective impact on potential on certain disease and certain difficulties. The creator program was really an opportunity for me to, let me say, be forced to learn more how Zoe works, and I really appreciated the can I say, the simple structure, but simple not in a bad way. Simple in the sense that is easy even for non-developers to create basic interactions between the virtual reality user and the virtual environments that you can set up through the Zoe app. And that's, I think, is the very powerful concept. So thanks to the actions and the interactions part of the platform, it is really easy to create these scenes. And of course, in my case, as I said, we are working on many different, let me say, health settings. The one I've been working with through this program was, it was set up thanks to a collaboration with the clinics in the public system here in Trentino that is dealing with people with Parkinson disease. And as you may know, people with Parkinson, they usually have troubles in their gait and in their movements when they are walking. It looks that they basically, due to the disease itself, they basically lose the let me say, automatic capability to do those movements. So they need to relearn, and of course, at the moment they are doing everything in a real gym with real obstacles and real things. What they want, they were very much, let me say, eager to experiment was if we could set up a mixed reality, not a full immersive virtual reality scene, but a kind of pass-through scene where they could see, let me say, the gym, but they could have, let me say, overimposed digital objects. They could grab, they have to maybe go around, they need to pick and do several kind of moments while walking. So that was the basic, let me say, requirements. When I started working on this Zoe app, I realized that there was this chance to use also the pass-through option, which is actually very nice one. So I could really easily set up different objects around the gym, and make it also kind of a game, so people with Parkinson, they could move around the gym and pick up objects at different heights. And it's kind of, the idea would be to implement a kind of game where the engagement also of the patient is kind of higher through virtual reality. I've been trying many platforms, to be honest, because I'm not exactly a developer, also because of my kind of strange career path. So I wanted to have something that could be, implemented with almost with no code, and this is something that is there in certain platforms with many limitations. While in Zoe, what, as I said before, what I appreciated is the fact that you can see that you people have been really working on kind of creating, the basic ingredients, to set up any kind of scene. There are nice demos also within the platform itself to play with, to learn how to use it. So I think there are many elements, and even, the typical, let me say, use case for Zoe, which can be, I don't know, a teacher willing to create a nice environment to improve her teachings with kids. It shouldn't be intimidated at all. I mean, if they have enough, the capability to use a laptop, a PC, a basic PC, they should be able to implement those settings very easily, actually. Then, of course, I mean, if you want to do more advanced things like the ones we did, like the randomization and the the delays, also another things that is very interesting. I hope we will be there in one of the next features in the future. That takes a little more time.
Yes.
But it's really a very easy platform to learn, in my opinion. Well, no, the thing I appreciate, I mean, is that some of the features I remember I was eager to have appeared thanks to a new release of Zoe app during the creator program timeframe. So actually, I was happy because exactly I've been using exactly that feature, the
Mm.
rotation feature. It was actually something I was looking for. So it was that was amazing. So I also had the feeling, that it's really a living organism. The application is really alive and kicking, and the feeling also that we, as let me say, beginners, we can also contribute to make Zoe app more, with more features. We can also trigger the process of providing you ideas and suggestions to evolve the platform. This is something I really appreciated.